Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to another session of CBA Exclusive. Now, today let us start straight away. We have received a new updated Excel which is going to count for 80% of the marks for the students. And we have to put this 80% on our portal, not on the blackboard, our university portal. Okay. So, let us begin and take each section one by one. We are here online attendance. We started our online attendance from Wednesday. Okay, as you remember, from 16th March we started and we ended on 16th April. Nigar has already put in the group, so it accounts for 81 hours. Okay, so we will put here 81. 81 is for all of us. 81 is the same for all of us. Okay, marks before class suspension. Now, marks before class suspension, now let us take this. Marks before class suspension is one quiz is equal to 20 marks, quiz 1, quiz 2 is equal to 20 marks, and then we had a midterm which was of 40. So the total comes here 80. Is it clear? So we have filled these two, and online participation is already there for 20 by default, and assignment and homework is there for 30 marks. Now I will take these students, not one by one, just one student, Mariam Ahmed Hussain. Now my student Mariam Ahmed Hussain, out of 81 lectures she has attended, I have already prepared a hard copy with me, and she has attended 74 lectures. So I will give her 74. So individually the other one has attended for me 65. The next one has attended for me 79. So it goes one by one like this. Finished? Now, before the class suspension, out of 80 marks, this I have calculated manually. Like out of 20 in the quiz 1, she got 16. In quiz 2, she got 18. Out of 40, she got 30. So I calculated 16. Let me do it one here. She got 16, quiz 1, quiz 2, 18, plus she got 25 in midterm. So she has got 59 out of 80. Done. Online participation. Online participation is the full right of the teacher, how she would like to assess her student. Like this student, most probably she tries to answer in the class and she is always there in the class. I will give her 18. Done. Assignment. Class online participation was out of 20 marks. Now I come to assignment. Assignment is of 30 marks. For myself, my group, I gave 2 assignments, 15, 50. It is in the blackboard. I took down the marks, then I calculated it and did the total out of 30. This girl, out of 30, she got 20. Done. So can you see here, her 80 marks which I have to put in the portal of Jazan University is 69. And then when we will have the final, I will put here out of 20 how much she gets. So I hope, teachers, this is clear with you all. Okay. Now, as we are going to assess the absentees now, how we are going to assess the absentees? Suppose this girl Hana Jobran was absent for her midterm. So what I will do, this Hana Jobran, I will prepare a new Excel. New Excel means an empty Excel, and in that I will reduce this marks. She has given me only 2 quizzes. So her marks before class suspension, her total will be 40. In quiz 1 she got 15, in quiz 2 she got 15. So her total marks before class suspension will be 30. Means she is not in the category of Mariam Ahmed Hussain. You understand? Mariam Ahmed Hussain. She is not in that category. You see here, when I change this 40, here she becomes 88. This Mariam Ahmed, she is not 88, she is 69. So this for Hana Jobran I will not do in the same Excel. I will do this in the another Excel, an empty Excel, and I will take her marks for 80 in my hard copy. Same follows for the students who are absent. Suppose one student is absent for quiz 1. She has given quiz 2 and she has given midterm. So I will change here and I will put here 60. and then I will calculate her marks. See, again if I put here 60, see this marks for this girl changes. So this is not applicable for the entire Excel. This will be only for the selective girls who were absent for their quizzes or for their midterm. So those girls, if you have 4 girls, so you have to work on 4 empty Excel for those 4 individual students, and for them you cannot put the marks here, because whatever marks this girl Hana will get now, it will be out of 80. So you cannot take out of 80% here. It is wrong calculation for this particular student. For Hana, I will go and take her marks from that one particular Excel I have prepared only for Hana, not for any other student. I have one more case, Najwa. She was absent for one quiz. So I will prepare another Excel for Najwa exclusive, and I will take her marks in the hard copy. And when I will upload in the Excel, in the portal, we will update all the marks, calculate all the marks which is written out of 80 here, and copy it in the portal one by one. But for 2-3 students who have done individually in each Excel, those I will not take from here, because this Excel is counting for 80%. I will take from that separate Excel. I hope, teachers, this will help you all in preparing your Excel. Thank you very much for being with me. I hope you will like this video of mine. If you still have any queries, you can message me on that. Thank you so much.